This is the Blade Flask Evo. Adapted from the original Blade Flask, the single-handed Blade Flask Evo has a new patented mechanism. This allows its users to remove a wider range of scalpel handles and blades, including thick and round handles, as well as hexagonal-shaped barren handles, which are used for plastic surgery and ophthalmology procedures. The Blade Flask Evo has been engineered for use in outpatient surgery, mortuaries, centralizing sterilizing locations, and other areas where scalpel handles are used. Now I'll show you how to use the Blade Flask Evo in just a few easy steps. Just like the original Blade Flask, the Blade Flask Evo can be mounted on a wall, trolley, or bench using the ClickSmart Universal Mounting Bracket. The bracket has high-strength double-sided tape on the bottom, which can be used to mount it in place. Alternatively, screws can be used to achieve the similar security. Once mounted, your Blade Flask Evo is ready to use. Begin by placing the blade on the landing pad with the tang up and sharp edge facing right. Next, push up the scalpel handle into Blade Flask Evo along the ramp. Push all the way in until you hear a click. Finally, remove the handle. The easy-to-see counter on top of the device shows you the amount of blades you can remove. It counts down from 100 to 0. When full, the automatic shut-off mechanism prevents the user from overfilling the Blade Flask Evo. To dispose of the Blade Flask Evo, simply slide it off the mounting bracket and dispose of it as medical waste following your facility's procedures. With over 125 million contaminated scalpel blades successfully removed, and almost 8,000 scalpel cuts and injuries prevented worldwide, ClickSmart's single-handed blade removers are proven to be a reliable method of avoiding scalpel blade injuries. And the new Blade Flask Evo is even better, as you can now use more types of handles and blades. To find a distributor near you, contact us through our website at clicksmart.com.